E, and I can, ooh. The camera moved on that. Let's try that again. E, and I cannot stress this enough. Ha. I have a photo shoot today with the Sigma 18-35. I've been waiting to do this for such a long time, now that I finally have the lens. So without further ado, let's get into the photo shoot today. So, it's gonna rain. I wasn't expecting that today. The weather forecast said it was going to be, you know, partially cloudy, but it's look at the sky. Look at that sky. It's completely overcast. We're gonna try to do this Sigma 18-35 photo shoot again, hopefully on a better day. So, I hope you all enjoyed the pictures, and I'll catch you guys next time on the Small Bear Studio. Stick around for more. I almost forgot E, and I cannot stress this enough. Ha.